I am a living miracle. It's what one woman calls herself as she recovers from stage 4 breast cancer without chemotherapy. Kian Morgan tells us how in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
For almost 25 years, the Bridgeport Primary School in St. Catherine is where Janet Hussett has been spending most of her days. Starting out as a clerk, she grew to love working among children. Now promoted to school business manager, the mother of 3 says life was good until September 2019, when things took a turn for the worse. One day after checking her breast, she realized there was a lump.
By the end of September, it even got bigger.
Starting to worry, Mrs. Hussett paid a visit to her doctor. Her results confirmed her biggest fear.
I started shaking. I said, "What you said, doctor?" He said, "Yes, and we have a fight."
A fight with stage 4 breast cancer.
But Ms. Hussett was in for more depressing news. A CT scan further revealed that the cancer had spread to her lungs.
Added to that, Mrs. Hussett had a combination of chronic illnesses, diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol. Almost at death's door, her doctor recommended urgent chemotherapy. But after learning about the side effects, Mrs. Hussett opted for an unconventional alternative, one she got in a dream.
And in my sleep, the Lord appears to me. We said, "Okay, my daughter, you are not going to eat meat anymore. You're going to take rice, flour, bread. You're going to take out everything that comes in tin. Microwave, you are not going to use that." So I said, "God, what am I going to eat?"
It was then she got a vision to start afresh and go natural.
Eat just vegetable. I was weighing like 207 pounds, and I realized that I started to lose weight.
But her waistline wasn't the only thing that downsized. Another visit to her doctor revealed the lump had shrunk from 9 millimeters to 0.5 millimeters. Her health has improved.
If you looked at my foot then, there were sores like I was about to lose my feet.
She ascribed her recovery to her strong Christian faith.
I will not stop serving God because you know something? From January of this year, I haven't taken insulin anymore. I am to do this CT scan again in September, of which I know it is going to be well.
Now given a second chance,
It doesn't matter what stage, the Lord can heal you.
with a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.